Hey, this is Christina with Alpha Prep. In this video, we're going to do another basic algebra problem from SAT Math with Calculator. This is a medium level problem, so it's medium level difficulty. Before we get started, if you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is a good point to pause the video and give the problem a try on your own, and we'll get started. So a right circular cone has a volume of 24 pi cubic inches. If the height of the cone is 2 inches, what is the radius in inches of the base of the cone? So looking at this, you might panic and think, oh my goodness, I don't remember the volume of a right circular cone. Don't worry, basically no one remembers the volume of a right circular cone. And luckily the College Board is aware of this, and so they actually include a formula sheet at the beginning of every test, and one of the things that they give you is the volume of a right circular cone. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with what's given on this formula sheet, not because you're going to need to actually memorize any of it. Obviously, it's given on the formula sheet, but in case you need to reference something quickly, if they mention a right circular cone, then you'll know, oh, okay, I have to go look at the beginning of the test, and you'll just flip back really quickly and then have the information that you need. From the formula sheet at the beginning of the test, we know that the volume of a right circular cone is equal to 1/3 pi r squared times the height of the cone. The question tells us that the volume of the cone is equal to 24 pi. So we're going to plug in 24 pi for v, and the height of the cone is 2 inches, so we're going to plug in 2 for h. So all that's going to be left, the only unknown is going to be that r, the r squared, and that's what we're going to solve for. So we have 24 pi is equal to 1/3 pi r squared times 2. The first thing that we want to do is combine like terms on the right-hand side. So we're going to combine that 1/3 and the 2 into 2/3 to simplify it into 2/3 pi r squared. And then we can just cancel the pi's on both sides of the equation. So now we just have 2/3 r squared is equal to 24. So our next step in isolating that r is going to be getting rid of the 2/3, and we can do this by multiplying by the reciprocal 3/2. Notice that the numerators and the denominators are going to cancel. And so on the right-hand side, we're left with just r squared, and on the left-hand side, we have 36. Our last step to solve for r is getting rid of the exponent. The opposite of squaring something is taking the square root, and so to undo the exponent, we're going to take the square root of both sides of the equation. So what we're left with is 6 is equal to r, so 6 is our answer, and that's it, we're done. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.